Hey, this is Brett Pimenter from Software Media, and I wanted to talk about an article that I've been working on the last couple days. It's called Split Screen Recording via Skype, mostly a fail on a PC. And basically what I want to talk about is some of the tools that you can use if you're using a PC to actually do split screen recording via Skype. So this would be something that you'd use if you wanted to interview. And here is the article. I wanted to show how some of these programs used to record the video from a Skype call work or don't work. To start with, I'm going to look at this program called Evaer. I believe it's Evaer.com. They do have a free trial. I think most of these actually do have some sort of free trial, and I think most of these also have some sort of premium upgrade price. They all have different models. I'm not going to go into that within this video. So I have a Skype call running, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to call another computer in the house and show you what happens on that call when I attempt to record the video via Skype. So to kick things off, I have to make sure that I've got Evaer going. And as you can see, what it shows here is some activity. It's an activity log. Once I actually make a call, it will give me the option to hit record or pause that call. And we'll kind of go from there. I do have some recording modes. I do need to pick this before I make the call. So I need to choose if I want two separate files. So for example, if I'm doing a video between myself and another computer, there'll be the video from my webcam and the video from the other webcam. That could be recorded in two separate files. Or I can have both those videos displayed side by side in one video. So both those webcams will then be kind of combined into ultimately one single video file. Might be a better way to describe it. I can show just my webcam, or I can show just the webcam of the other, I don't know, or I could just do audio only with Evaer. And you'll notice that some of these settings are going to be similar from program to program. So here we go. I'm going to be calling myself. Now there may be a slight amount of feedback because this other computer is literally, there is no equivalent to the Skype test call service when we're talking about video. One computer is recording some trees just outside of my office, and the other is recording me talking here, working in the office. Go over in here, and there's just a little bit of feedback. I am using headsets on both devices. So you can see there's some activity recording here, and I can, or activity that's available to record. So I'm going to start recording at this point. Go. And so it ticks up with the number of seconds, and I'm just going to record a short recording. And we'll stop it there. Actually, I'm going to add just waving my arm in front of that other computer so you can see there's something happening. So I'm going to hit stop, and that was two separate files. So what we see here are two different video files. I'm going to do another one where I've got side by side. I hit record, and we're recording. This is computer 1, computer 2, kind of reaching over the top. I'm going to stop that. Now this time we see that it just recorded a single file. Now this is actually the same computer. In one case it pulls in the profile name, and in the other case it pulls in the official name. There's a little icon that pops up. I can open the folder that contains these, and this pulls in some of my other tests. Kind of have to look at the timestamps. Let me list these. We can see the ones from today. Quick call at 6:11. Those are the two individual videos, and then the combined video. Now, I'm going to attempt to play this, but that might be a bit much for everything that's going on. We'll try and open that media player. So there's our combined split screen. Okay. And this should be a single file.
And so
this is that 20-second file. I'm going to leap forward a little bit. So remember I was waving my arm in front of it. And then the other, this was me.
And so
There we go. So those are the video files. So I could then take those files, edit them in any video editing program I want to use. There is Evaer. So that was Evaer, and that was a relatively successful test. This is the one that, from my perspective, seems to be the most reliable. And I've tried all of these. So next I'm going to take a look at IM Capture.